Hey, what's up YouTube fam? Brandon Weaver here once again. Got questions here for you. Right hot off the presses, just coming in now. Also hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications for when I go live so I can do your answers on the questions and your questions and answers on the live stream. We had a great live stream this weekend. We're doing great live streams with this amazing subscribe tribe here, so please jump on as well. So this email here, this email of collectors emailing here. Yeah, that's right, collectors emailing. This is a great question. This is something new and I want you to watch out for just in case you find yourself in this situation. But something a little newer, this is why we want to be here on these videos and for all these new tactics and strategies. So a couple of collectors actually tried to email this person trying to collect. They didn't even send letters in the mail. So 2 collectors have contacted me by email, all right? And of course I've got to respond. They say, oh, if I don't respond within 30 days, we're just gonna assume this debt is yours, which is ridiculous. They should be able to provide that type of information to you. They should be able to substantiate it and provide written authorization, right? But they don't. They just send an email. Well, you know, we're gonna assume that they didn't even send letters now, right? So this individual asks, hey, you know, what do I need to do? What do I need to write? Who do I need to dispute with? Do I need to go ahead and tell them, hey, stop emailing me, I want contact written to my address, this kind of stuff? Yes. So we've got letters for you that'll say, hey, you need to cease phone calls or emails or whatever it is unless absolutely necessary in some regard or something like that. But typically they don't. They need to be sending things in the mail, okay, in the mail. And so we've got letters for that. And so they start sending things in the mail, sure, fine. Great, but you've got to respond now, right? So you've got to send your validation letter to these collectors, both of them, and get pushback, and get them to try to substantiate this stuff. Typically, what we're seeing, that's why people are getting deletions and collection. I just had another individual write in and say, hey, my credit score went from 594 to 690. So people are getting there, people are getting these deletions, getting these negative, nasty, erroneous items out of there. You could do the same thing, 609creditrepair.com. We can do the work for you at theawesomelifegroup.com, right? So you send your validation letters, you send them to collectors. Now this person was also asking about, hey, look, I've got a lot of old addresses and phone numbers on my reports. Can I send this dispute, 609 dispute, with this address update letter dispute at the same time? Can I send them at the same time? Should I send them separately? If I do send them separately, what's the... Okay, so can you send them at the same time? Yes, you can send them at the same time. That's okay because you're disputing 2 different things, okay? You're not disputing the same thing. You're disputing addresses, or you're disputing the hard inquiries and or the charge-offs and collections, right? What you don't want to do is you don't want to send a collection, you know, 609 dispute collections and charge-offs, and then within that 30-day window, send another letter to dispute those same collections and charge-offs and whatever it might be. But if you're sending a letter for your old addresses, for hard inquiries, and for your charge-offs and collections, yes, you can send them all at the same time. Now, what you may want to do, which we do at the Awesome Life Group, okay, what we do at the Awesome Life Group LLC, is we send the address, personal profile update letters, freeze letters, and then about 2 weeks later, we send out the dispute letters to dispute the charge-offs and collections and all that negative, nasty, erroneous stuff, okay? Now, on the letters, there's also a demand to remove non-account holding inquiries, but we've also got very specific hard inquiry dispute letters available to you at 609creditrepair.com. You get that Beyond Committed package, got all those letters and videos and system walk you through the process, got the hard inquiry letters. You can add your medical collections to your 609 dispute letters as well. We've got, you know, you can put unverified, no contract for medical collections, all right? But we also have specific HIPAA dispute letters as well that you can utilize on top of those for your medical collections, right? So we've got more letters, more leverage, more rights for you under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Fair Debt Collection Practice, FACTA, right? All of these great things for you. So yes, you can do this stuff. You can send these letters now by the individual who is saying, hey, look, my credit score is going up, but I just sent out a dispute and they're trying to say TransUnion, say, hey, it's not specific enough for... They know what they're doing. They're playing a game. This is a stall tactic. You can send the stall tactic letter with your 609 dispute letter next, right? So you can send both at the same time like we're going over here. These are the types of tips, tricks, and secrets we have, tips, tricks, secrets, the process here, okay? So the process here, these are the types of processes we go over here, the process we have for you here, all right? Along with all the additional secrets and tips and tricks. You wanna hit that subscribe button, you wanna hit that bell for notifications so you get all this information now so you can get to your credit goals now. 609creditrepair.com, or we can do the work for you at theawesomelifegroup.com. Please give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and until I see you in person, I will see you on the other side. Take care.